Hey guys, today I'm going to my first ever car meet. It is hosted by Laguna Mustang. It's an exclusive club which I'm a part of. I've never actually been to a meet yet. So I'm gonna go down there. I might be a little bit early because they did postpone it due to rain and stuff, but I'm gonna head over anyways. So I'll see you guys there. Going up to the meet and you already see we got a Celine, looks like a 2009 Celine Mustang. That looks clean as fuck. Of course the exhaust on it, damn it looks good. Woo! There's already some people here, but we're like hella early, so I'm just gonna wait for a bit, and then in the meantime, I'm gonna eat some food, and then we're gonna see how many people show up. Right now, there's only us three, but yeah, they're wiping down their cars and shit. Damn, it's clean. Oh, that's some nice 07s. We got a nice 2018-19. 2017 through 2009, or I mean, yeah, 2015 to 2017 Mustang. I like those LEDs, those are clean. There's a little bit of wear on it right there, but clean. I like the height right there. That ride height, fucking hey, holy shit. There is no gap in there. Wow. That's cool. The crazy V6 boosted, bagged, light bar Mustang. Carbon fiber fenders, carbon fiber hood. Clean. It's good. I like it. It's definitely growing. We have a lot of new people coming. We have all this stretch around down there. We got some nice, I like that, clean white. That's clean. I like that. And you got my guy right there, looking out of place. Damn. I've been walking around talking to a lot of people, but goddamn, it is 75 degrees with 84% humidity. There's not a chance in hell I can stand in the sun. I've been walking around looking at all the things, but people are now posted up in the shade just because how hot it is. It just gets hot, quick as fuck. So warm. It's clean all black. That's nice. The SV tires, I like those. I like that body kit. It's a bit chunky, but you know. The S500 front end conversion. Damn. I like that. I like the SV. That's clean. Okay, I'm leaving the meet right now. It was super fun. As you can see, everybody is still back there. But I'm gonna dip. They're gonna go on a cruise. I was just there for the meet portion. I was there for a couple hours. It was really nice to see all the builds, and it was really cool to get to know some Minnesota Mustang people. So let's go. I'm currently mobbing around with this BMW. He's a fancy boy, but I like it. It's pretty dope. Ooh, that pop! Holy shit!